Good morning, student. Now see page number 9.67, question number 4. You keep in mind, you have to draw the ledger of everyone. Now I have selected here only 4 ledgers because I have no sufficient time in one video. That is the reason I have taken selective ledger account, but you have to open all the accounts. I have taken here capital account, Vasudev and company, Ganesh and company, and rent account. You know, in every ledger, left hand side is the debit and right hand side is the credit. See question number 4, page number 9.67. Enter the following transactions in the journal of Gopi Chand of Delhi. Post them to the ledger and prepare a trial balance. See the last line. CGST and SGST are subject to levy of 9% each and IGST 18%. So you will keep in mind, this is question related to GST. Mostly in the examination, either general ledger, they comes related to the GST question. May 1st, commenced business with cash 2 lakhs, of which 1,50,000 were deposited into the bank. So 1,50,000 you have deposited into the bank. So you will pass the entry cash account debit 50,000, bank account debit 1,50,000, and to capital account that will be 2 lakhs. So in cash account debit side you will write to capital 50,000, bank account debit side you will write to capital 1,50,000. In capital is credit, so capital account credit side you will write the name of debit term. There are 2 term of debit, so both you will write. So you will write by cash account 50,000, and also you will write by bank account, that is 1,50,000. This is the date 1st. May 3rd, purchase goods on credit from Messrs Vasudev and company of list price 50,000 less trade discount 20%. So purchase account debit Now list price is 50,000 and 20% trade discount, that will be 10,000. So purchase amount will be 40,000. And here question related to the GST. So you will pay the GST also. So input CGST account debit, input yes GST account debit, and to Vasudev and company GST rate is 9%, so 3,600. Now purchase account debit side you will write to Vasudev 40,000, input CGST debit side you will write to Vasudev 3,600, input yes GST debit side you will write to Vasudev and company 3,600. Now Vasudev and company is credit here, so credit side you will write, but you will write the debit term name. There are the 3 debit term name, so all the name you will write here. By purchase account, that is 40,000. By input CGST, 3,600. By input SGST, that is also 3,600. Now, paid cartage on the above goods 1,500. So carriage account debit to cash. Sold return goods to Messrs Vasudev and Company of list price 5,000. So Vasudev and Company debit to purchase return to input CGST to input SGST. Here purchase return amount is given 5,000. This is the list price. So that 20% 1,000 you will minus. So purchase return will be 4,000 and GST 9%, 360. So total 4,720. Vasudev Company is here debit. So Vasudev Company debit side you will write to purchase return account 4,000. Here are the 3 term of credit. So all credit term you will write the name to input CGST 360 to input SGST 360. Next, sold goods for cash. So cash account debit to sales account 10,000. Bought a computer against check. So computer account debit to bank account. Issued a check to Mr. Vasudev and Company in full settlement of their account. So you make the payment to Vasudev and Company in full settlement. You have made the full settlement. So here will be discount also. So Vasudev and Company debit to bank account to discount account. Date 12. You have issued the check of 42,000. So before the bank you will write 42,000. Now total amount of Vasudev credit side was 47,200 and debit side this is 4,720. So amount will come 42,480, but you have paid only 42,000. So 480 will be discount and total will be 42,480. Now Vasudev and Company is debit here So Vasudev and Company debit side you will write the creditor name to bank account. Amount of bank is 42,000, and to discount account amount of discount is 480. Next is purchased a new machine 80,000 from Gador Tools Limited, Faridabad. Now Gopichand gave a check 50,000 from his saving account and balance from firm's account. You have purchased the machinery. So machinery account debit 80,000 and 50,000 owner paid from his own pocket. So to capital account 50,000 and to bank account 30,000. So machinery account debit 80,000, to capital account 50,000 and to bank account 30,000. Sold goods for cash to Ashok and Company, Kanpur. So Ashok sold goods for cash. This is the cash transaction. So you will not write the name. Cash account debit to sales account and to output CGST to output SGST. Sold goods to, in the case of machine also, you will write the GST, that machinery account debit GST, input is CGST debit, input SGST debit to capital account and to cash to bank account. Next, sold goods to Ganesh and Company, Kolkata on credit. Now this is belongs to Kolkata, West Bengal. So here you will use the IGST, Ganesh and Company account debit to sales account and to output IGST. Now we have to open the Ganesh and Company. So we will write the journal entry, date 18. Sold goods to Ganesh and Company, Kolkata on credit. So Ganesh and Company debit to sales account to output IGST account. Amount of sales is the 1 lakh and IGST 18,000, 18%. So 1 lakh 18,000. Now here you can see Ganesh and Company is the debit. So debit side you will write the credit name to sales account. That amount is the 1 lakh and to output IGST, that is the 18,000. Now goods for 5,000 were distributed as a sample as a part of advertisement campaigning. These goods were purchased locally. So when you will given the goods in the sample, advertisement account debit to purchase account, to input CGST, to input SGST. Next, received from Ganesh and Company check in the full settlement. The check was immediately deposited into the bank. You have received from Ganesh and Company. So bank account debit, discount account debit, to Ganesh and Company. Now total amount on Ganesh and Company was 1,18,000, but you have received from Ganesh and Company only 1,15,000. Finally, you have received only 1,15,000, so 3,000 will be considered as a discount. Now here Ganesh and Company is the credit, so you will write credit side, but you will write the name of debit term. There are the two debit term, so both you will write by bank account 1,15,000, by discount account 3,000. Now next, paid rent by check. So rent account debit to bank account. Amount is 10,000. Here rent is debit, so debit side you will write to bank account. The amount is 10,000. Next, paid salary 25,000. So salary account debit to bank, salary account debit to cash 25,000. Now there is no any other transaction. You will make the total 2 lakhs. There is no any transaction. So difference you will write to balance CD, that is 2 lakhs. You will make the total 2 lakhs, and just opposite side, here you will write by balance BD 2 lakhs. Balance you will write just opposite side here. You will make the total both side total is the equal, so you will not write the balance. Here is also both side total is equal, so not write the balance. Here in the debit side 10,000, but here is not written any balance in the credit side, so difference you will write by balance CD. This amount will be 10,000. You will make the total 10,000. And below the total, reverse side you will write to balance BD, that is 10,000. Now thank you, student.